Traditional beverages like tea and coffee immediately come to mind when thinking of something warm and comforting to drink. But have you ever thought to spice up your tea? Clove tea is a delectable and aromatic beverage that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also offers a multitude of health benefits. Cloves, in general, have been part of Indian cooking for centuries. The aromatic and savory qualities of this spice are highly valued, but its medicinal and therapeutic qualities are also much sought after. Cloves are a healthy addition to your daily routine because of their high antioxidant content. Consuming cloves in any form is beneficial, and clove tea is one way to do so. Nothing beats a hot cup of tea in the morning to get the day started, as tea, in general, is a staple in our culture. Let's uncover the wonders of clove tea and how it can enhance your well-being when you drink it daily. As a special bonus, we have included a delicious clove tea recipe for you to try out toward the end of the video. But first, let's learn the origins of this magical spice. Cloves are the fragrant flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, which belongs to the Myrtaceae family. They are utilized as a flavoring, fragrance, or aroma in numerous commercial goods, including toothpaste, detergent, and cosmetics, and have their origins on Indonesia's Maluku Islands. Clove bud oil's powerful, acidic flavor comes from the chemical eugenol, which is present in concentrations of 80 to 90%. Cloves are often used in Asian, African, Mediterranean, and Middle Eastern cooking to add flavor to fruit, meats, curries, and marinades. Cloves, among other spices, can be used to enhance the flavor and scent of a hot beverage. Sugar and lemon, for example, are common complements to them. Did you know that clove tea is an excellent remedy for seasonal diseases caused by viruses or bacteria? Here we'll go over some of the additional issues it can help with, in addition to boosting immunity and facilitating weight loss. Let's begin. Number 1. Increases blood flow. Clove tea has been shown to improve blood flow, which is essential to good health. Cloves have chemicals that promote circulation and increase blood flow. It is able to regulate both the temperature of the body and the metabolism, both of which have direct effects on the circulatory system of the human body. Drinking clove tea has been shown to improve organ function by increasing blood flow and oxygen to the tissues that make them up. Number 2. Relieves toothaches. For centuries, people have turned to clove tea when they were experiencing dental problems. Cloves are an effective treatment for reducing gum inflammation due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties help keep your mouth healthy and free of infections. To alleviate tooth pain, reduce gum inflammation, and freshen breath, try rinsing with lukewarm clove tea. Number 3. Helps with sinus infections. Do you feel like there's a blockage in your chest or sinuses? Well, drinking a cup of warm clove tea, especially first thing in the morning, can help you get rid of infections and get immediate relief from sinus pain. Clove is an effective expectorant because it contains eugenol, which increases blood flow and helps loosen mucus. Compared to most fruits and vegetables, clove possesses greater antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Organic clove is effective at soothing moderate coughs and sore throats without the use of medication. Breathing easier is possible after inhaling the warm, aromatic steam from a cup of clove tea, which can help relieve irritation in the airways. Number 4. Boosts immunity and helps fevers. Clove tea is full of vitamins and minerals because it has a lot of magnesium and a lot of vitamin E and vitamin K. Because of its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, clove tea can protect against bacterial infections. Also, because it is an antipyretic, it lowers the body temperature and makes the immune system stronger. Clove tea can provide your immune system with the boost it needs to keep you healthy and resilient. Possible stress reliever. Stress can have negative effects on our bodies and minds in today's fast-paced world. Clove tea's soothing effects are a lifesaver. Clove tea has a calming effect on the nervous system thanks to the scent and substances it contains. To relax and find your inner zen, sit back with a cup of clove tea. Number 5. May lower blood sugar levels. Cloves have shown promise in helping patients with diabetes and prediabetes. Clove may be useful in reducing fasting and postprandial blood sugar levels. The polyphenolic chemicals derived from clove tea aid in glucose control. Researchers found that healthy participants whose diets included a polyphenolic clove extract saw significant drops in blood sugar. Number 6. Helps fight cancer. Cancer patients may greatly benefit from drinking clove tea. While research into the potential anti-cancer effects of cloves is still in its infancy, preliminary evidence seems promising. Cloves have been demonstrated to be effective at killing multiple types of cancer cells in laboratory studies. One study found that cloves effectively eradicated colon cancer cells and inhibited their ability to multiply. In a separate study, cloves were found to be effective against breast cancer cell lines. According to additional research, cloves in a laboratory setting were able to kill 80% of esophageal cancer cells. More research is required before human trials of cloves may begin. Number 7. Aids in weight loss and improves digestion. It has been shown that drinking a cup of clove tea before a meal helps digestion by increasing the flow of saliva and blood. In addition to these benefits, drinking clove tea can help with indigestion and flatulence by stimulating gastric secretions and relieving stomach pain and acidity. This tea is also very effective at stopping nausea because of its antiemetic qualities. Additionally, cloves have anti-inflammatory properties that may aid in reducing inflammation-related weight gain. The use of cloves has been linked to a decrease in fat cell size and consequent weight loss. Moreover, incorporating more spices into one's diet has been linked to a higher metabolic rate and more efficient fat burning. Number 8. Great nutritional supplement. As a seasoning, cloves offer significant health benefits. Vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin E in trace quantities are also present in powdered cloves. Additionally, it is a rich source of fiber. Vitamin C and eugenol are two antioxidants that have been shown to slow the beginning of chronic disease, and manganese is essential for healthy bone development. Number 9. Treats UTIs. Evidence suggests that clove ethanolic extract can inhibit the growth of gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria responsible for urinary tract infections. Clove oil has been found to be effective against a wide variety of bacteria, including gram-negative organisms like Pseudomonas aeruginosa and gram-positive organisms like Streptococcus. Regular consumption of clove tea is necessary to experience the numerous advantages of clove oil. Number 10. Effective against intestinal parasites. Clove tea has been used historically to kill parasites in the digestive tract. Parasites are organisms that get their sustenance at the expense of, or only because of, their hosts. Intestinal parasites like this are common and can lead to a variety of unpleasant health problems. Clove's anti-inflammatory properties make it a useful treatment for the stomach pain that can result from getting rid of parasites. Number 11. Reduces arthritis pain. If you suffer from the terrible pain of arthritis, try using a cold compress made of clove tea. Because cloves are powerful analgesics, drinking clove tea while applying cold compresses helps with joint pain, muscle soreness, edema, and ligament injuries. Arthritis sufferers can find relief from their discomfort by using the compress for 20 minutes twice or 3 times a day. Number 12. Clears up acne. Studies have shown that clove extract, including ethanol and eugenol, suppress the inflammatory response and bacterial activity associated with the bacteria P. acnes. Because of its analgesic and antiseptic properties, the oil is ideal for treating skin infections and conditions such as acne. The oil aids in the removal of skin impurities while also alleviating the pain associated with cystic acne, such as acne vulgaris, whiteheads, and blackheads. As a result, it also aids in the removal of blackheads and whiteheads. Number 13. Prevents food poisoning. E. coli, salmonella, and listeria are common bacteria that can cause food poisoning, and a study found that clove tea, coupled with the essential oils from the bud, helped inhibit their growth. A review found that clove oil and the ingredient eugenol are better than potassium sorbate, sodium benzoate, and other chemical food preservatives in terms of how well they kill bacteria, how safe they are, and how they smell. Both clove oil and eugenol are beneficial due to their antimicrobial, antifungal, and aromatic properties. Number 14. Natural disinfectant. Few people realize that cold clove tea can be used as an effective hand sanitizer. Just pour some clove tea into your palms and rub your fingers together. The resulting friction will help scrub away dirt and bacteria from the skin. Even more intriguing is the fact that, unlike commercially available hand sanitizer, it is natural and, hence, has no bad effects. Number 15. Helps with skin issues. Due to its high concentration of antibacterial compounds, clove tea is highly effective in the treatment of a wide range of skin conditions. Clove tea's volatile oils aid the body in flushing out toxins. It's effective at healing scrapes and abrasions. You can also use this tea as a topical antifungal to keep athlete's foot, ringworm, and other skin fungi at bay. Number 16. May improve sexual health. Men have long used clove oil to enhance their overall sexual performance. Regular consumption of clove tea may elevate testosterone levels and enhance blood circulation. As a result, this would boost libido and you would prevent premature ejaculation. It is well known that eating cloves enhances the quality and motility of sperm. Clove tea is an excellent supplement for your sexual health. Number 17. Hair growth. Since ancient times, people have used clove tea as a natural remedy for promoting hair growth. You may be surprised to learn that clove tea benefits not only the scalp, but also the hair. The natural antioxidants in this tea help hair grow and stop hair loss. Its anti-inflammatory properties assist in decreasing dandruff and enhancing scalp health. As we said at the beginning of this video, here's a simple clove tea recipe to get you started. To make clove tea, you will need 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 cinnamon stick or tea bag of choice. To begin, place a cup of water in a small saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon of whole cloves and bring to a boil. Once the water boils, reduce the heat and let the cloves simmer for 10 to 20 minutes. When finished, remove the pot from the heat and strain the cloves. Now add honey and your choice of cinnamon stick or tea bag. Stir well and enjoy your warm, soothing clove tea. You can also store the brewed tea in the refrigerator for up to a week. Drinking clove tea daily can help with anything from a sore throat to weight loss to general wellness. Let us know in the comments if you tried this recipe or have any other ways you like to enjoy cloves. Also, let us know how drinking clove tea daily has benefited you. For more health tips and recipes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Healthy Living Remedies.